So here is how we can turn off the Microsoft Teams notifications on iPhone. Let me guide you through the whole process, and there are actually two sides to this, so let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So at first, we need to check out the settings for notifications within the app level. So we can get inside of the Teams app, go to the profile, and see the settings section right away there. So you can get to these settings. It's all ready as such. Just go to the notifications menu, and there you get to manage which specific types of notifications are allowed. So for example, when the community invites are turned on, you're going to get an email notification for that, and then posts sent via email as well. Missed activity email, you can set it to daily, hourly, or turn off. In-app notifications, vibrations, mute while in meetings, and contact, join teams, right? So many different types of notifications, but all within like the functionality of the app. However, if you want to change it on the iOS level, open up the main settings app of the iPhone instead, where you can as well find notifications, and every single third-party app is going to be listed here. So make sure you find Teams, and there you basically get to decide how it works, as I said, on the iPhone level, and if notifications are allowed, and as well if some other things apply here too, like obviously the regular stuff, like if they appear on the lock screen, or if you allow the notifications badges and so on, right? So you can see that you have to do it separately on like two different levels. Just make sure you have it set up proper way on both, but let me know that you manage to turn off your notifications or turn off only specific parts. Let me know about that if you manage to successfully do this. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.